Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I'm Pierre.
And I'm Selina.
Alright, today's video is it's like a debatable subject. So, unaccompanied trips to Puerto Rico. So,
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
we decided to do this video. There was a debate going on whether one person should be going back to Puerto Rico without the other one traveling with them. So let's just jump right into it. All right. As everybody know, we have a home in Puerto Rico, in San Juan, and the location of our home is adjacent to a park. In our backyard, the back area of the house sits next to a park that is kind of equivalent to, they call it Niño El Yunque, okay, baby El Yunque, because it grows pretty tough. So there's maintenance that has to be done to it, the outside of the house, and the small ground that we have. So this video is taking place because one of the two of us have to go back at some point, in my opinion, to make repairs and clean up the outside. Because if you leave that stuff too long, it's gonna overgrow and it's gonna take back over the ground. All right, so
I would like to start off by congratulating Pierre on his recent retirement. He is currently retired, unemployed, all the good things that you would like to be one day. And my perspective is that when we purchased this home, we purchased it as a vacation home for the two of us. And I feel that, I know that there are things that need to be done on the outside when we are not there, because it is like a mini rainforest behind our house. And one time we left for about 3 months, and those, what are those beans called? Pigeon peas. Pigeon peas grew from our driveway to the top of the house. So I completely understand that the maintenance has to be done. In my perspective, I feel that we should just pay someone to do it on a regular. So to have like every other month, have someone come over and handle those things before they get out of hand.
and my opinion on that is, it's our home, and the prices of the airfare to get there are pretty substantially low, and they're going to get lower. So to pay someone to go there every month, it's kind of like, to me, it's not really a waste of money, but one of us can go over there every 2 months to do the cleanup, to do the things that has to be done to the house, outside and in, ourselves, because we know exactly what needs to be done. And getting back to the extreme growth that we had, it showed us that we can't just leave a property in the tropics for a long period of time, because nature will take over itself. Moisture inside and outside of the house can happen. It could be a leak that you don't know about that needs to be repaired. So I have seen that leaving it more than 2.5 months is really detrimental to your property, especially when you spend, a lot of money on your property. The last thing you want to do is to have to go back in and fix something major like a water leak or vines growing on top of your home, get entangled to the electrical line, anything. So yeah, so I have actually experienced that a couple times. So I had came up with the 2.5 month period for the time frame that I would go back and do whatever maintenance need to be done.
So my perspective is that we generally travel there about every 3 months anyway, and because he's getting ready to go for his little boys trip.
Well, it's got to be a little boys trip
because it's just the boys and not us women. But so we generally travel every 3 months, and I think that's pretty good. I think in my honest opinion, we have someone that works on the house, on the inside of the house when we need them to. I think we pay, $60 an hour or something like that.
No.
And then, no, I mean to the people who check the house out.
Oh.
And on the outside, so we can have someone check the house out every once in a while. And then if we arrange to have someone maintain the outside every other month, I think we would be good. Then we don't have to worry about traveling unnecessarily, calling it it's like going to Puerto Rico to cut the grass.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Okay, let's do a poll. Raise your hand if you are, and raise your hand by leaving a comment. Leave a comment if you think it's okay to go to Puerto Rico to cut the grass. And so what? Just so happened the beach is there and it's 82 degrees year round. So leave in the comments if you think it's okay to leave every 2.5 months to go cut the grass, clean up, or do the things that you have to do, whether you're with your significant other or not. So we would like to see what the responses are on that.
I would like you to also comment if you think that actually having someone to go and take a look inside, there's nothing that needs to be done on the inside of the house unless there is, like he says, a leaking pipe or something. But if you think it's okay to have someone go check out the inside and go spruce up the outside every other month, and that be it. Just leave a comment, girls, ladies, sisters, in the comment section.
Okay, so you have been talking about the negative reasons to go unaccompanied with the other person. Can you come up with some positives?
No, because first of all, I don't have on this get up for no reason. I am actually working, and it's a vacation house. We're not on vacation every other month. Once we retire together, I do plan on spending about 6 months there per year, give or take, or whatever. Whenever it gets cold here, just leaving. But I think it's a little premature.
Well, I don't, and we would love to get some feedback from our fans on unaccompanied trips to your home in Puerto Rico every 2.5 months, 3 to 4 days, because no one goes to Puerto Rico for a day or two, or you shouldn't. So 3 to 4 days. We would love to hear from our fans on who are you with, Team Pierre
or Team Selina. And meanwhile, when he wants to take a unaccompanied trip, he can just go downstairs in the house that we live in right here. And if he wants an extended vacation, he could go into the backyard.
That won't get the work done.
There's no work to be done here.
I'm talking about in Puerto Rico.
Oh.
That's the whole premise of these trips. It's been documented. I can show the receipts on that. I have receipts, y'all.
I have receipts.
Did y'all hear that
too.
stutter? Did y'all hear that stutter? Did y'all hear that stutter? I have
too.
receipts.
I have receipts. I have Zillow receipts, Cash App. So I completely understand. I just think someone else could do it.
Yeah.
And the people, you would also be helping out the community in Puerto Rico by supporting the people there.
Wow. She had to throw that in there.
Supporting local
Oh,
organizations.
we definitely support our local organization. We volunteer when we over there
Yes,
sometimes.
we do volunteer.
So, yeah.
Yes, we do.
Well, that's today's video. Please leave your remarks. We are dying to hear all of the thumbs up for Team Pierre.
And thumbs up for Team Selina.
We'll give you the tally. Okay, thank you for hanging out with us, and we'll get with you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Hit that notification bell so that every time we post a video, you know that we up and running.
Adios, mi amigos.
Adios, amigas. Deuces.